turbo sound!
Oh yeah!
Holy shit, man, that drives so well, right? Yo guys, welcome to another video. In this video we're going further with the MK2 GTI TDI swap. And we're going to take it for a test drive. I want the car to go outside for a test drive, ready to go within 2 days, guys. We have still some things to button up. The engine bay is more or less finished. And Frank is busy right now with preparing the new fusées to mount. We have the brand new axles here from aangepaste.bak.nl, custom axles, custom wheel hubs with bigger spline. Yeah. So we need to put everything back together. We have the new brakes right here. G60 brakes, 280 millimeters. Because of course it was originally a GTI and those GTIs will have 256 original. So, of course we also need to put or take the dashboard. Lucky, it's good that you have your work shoes on. Yeah. So, and we also need to make a plate from wood. I'm just going to use wood to be able to mount the battery in the spare wheel tray. Because we are using an Odyssey battery, like you see, and they are very small. They are also gel batteries, so you can just put them on the side and everything. Very, very easy, and also very powerful. And also very expensive. But yeah, it will be mainly drivetrain, axles, fusées, new wheel hubs. Some little stuff here, putting the clamps on it. We need to attach the shifter cables, we need to bleed the brakes, we need to bleed the clutch, make a little bracket for the radiator, dashboard, battery in the trunk. I think that will be the main keys for this video, to be able to take this car outside to make the test drive, man. You will also be here on Saturday, right? Oh nice. That we will put in the bloopers. You will be here on Saturday, right? Yeah, so we're going to do the test drive together. So guys, while Frank is busy with preparing that fusées, I will just start by removing everything from the car, putting everything back on it, and I just make sure you can rip this car, guys. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Let's go, man. So the fitment of those axles are really perfect. So Johan did a very nice job. So let's mount the CV boots. So I'm busy with removing the original flash file from the ECU to make sure that we can remove the immobilizer, but also prepare a new map for this car to be safely driving this car outside with this new engine. So big shout out to Thiago, muchas gracias hermano, smoked remaps, let's go, man. First meters. First 2 meters. So guys, welcome back after the time lapse. We made lots of progress. Look at the car. It's complete again. It really looks nice. It needs some spacers though, and we're going to lower it a little bit more. Oh. It's warming up for the first time. I also don't even know how much fuel is in it. And another important thing, I'm also not sure which injectors are in this car. It is possible that it's 80%, 100%, 120. We just don't know. The car is running right now on the tune of the Black Corrado. So the Black Corrado run on 120% injectors. Like I said, we're going to warm it up for the first time. And we're going to take it for a test drive, guys. I'm excited. But I'm really, even outside, I cleaned the car already. The color is so amazing. I think it's R32, something like that. Really nice color, guys. So yeah, man, let's warm it up. Let's take it for a spin. Let's go. Okay, guys, first test drive. I'm excited. Go, man. Go.
Holy shit. Dat is een idioot.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, but this is map 2 of the Corrado, of the Black Corrado. So this is 3.2 bars of
Maar ik
boost.
hoorde de Corrado nooit zo blazen.
Yeah, but you're also running without a air filter. Test drive of the Mark II. Let's go, man! Holy shit! Did you hear that turbo sound?
Oh yeah!
Holy shit, man, it drives so well, right? It shifts good, no problems.
But the main question, did he make smoke?
I think it's smoke, right?
Should we check? Should we check? Let's smoke it! Smoke it! Is that all you can do?
A brand new engine. So Ferret also joined us. Oh shit, that limiter is crazy, right? Holy shit. Holy shit, that was a real TDI
Hij
flyby.
zegt net, ik durf niet vol. Ik zeg, trap door. Hij zei, ik durf niet vol gas.
Oh, ja.
Hier aan.
Yeah, he wants to be in the video, of course. He's going to make a pull. Original turbo, guys. Original. Let's go, man. Let's go. So yeah, Frank, man, this is awesome, right? The car is running very, very well. I think we let us go just a little, right? Brand new engine still needs to run in, but we could not refuse to hear that turbo whistle. Yeah, right. But it runs so well. So that it really looks like the car is as good as finished for the homologation, of the engine swap. Because guys, in a few days I will have the homologation appointment at the RDW to do the homologation of the engine, and I think even a few hours after that appointment I will immediately go to the airfield to fly to Portugal to meet up with Luis, with Hugo, with Helder Puto. They will bring their Seat Ibiza 6L DSG, Luis's personal car, to Penafiel Racefest. That's going to be an amazing weekend, so I'm very excited about that. But I am so excited about this car, bro. You really deserve it, to be fair. And guys, it is so nice in the sun. It's such an awesome color. Frank wants to change the rear lights to put the red and black with the heck blend. I said he's crazy. No, you must not change those tail lights, man, because he even has the matching front lights, the blinkers. So guys, let me know in the comments, should he change his tail lights to the GTI black red with the heck blend, or keep those fifth blue tail lights? I'm already sure he really needs to put that blue tail lights. He needs to keep it. But yeah, man, big success. I'm going to show you guys some shots. We'll be right back, guys. Awesome. Super dik. Heel dik. Super dik. So yeah, guys, that was a real success. I'm so happy. And look at this car even. But yeah. Rocket Bunny Mark II. So yeah, guys, I cannot be more excited than I am right now. I think I can successfully finish this video. First test drive, great success. Frank, that turbo whistle, right? He already told me, like, when the car is all finished, I'm just going to drive around for fun. But yeah, man, very happy. Next step will be homologation and flying to Portugal, guys. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe. Spam that like button, hype this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Ciao!